Good morning, everybody. I'm going to show you and tell you how to do a proper lat pull down because I see a lot of the same kind of, I guess, mistakes or inappropriate approaches to this. And the lat pull down is incredibly effective, but you need to do it properly so that you target the right muscles, because when you're doing this, there's a lot of stuff that wants to try to help out. So I'm going to try my best to help you out to do it properly. First things first, select a moderate weight. As your experience grows, you'll know what to pick. But for now, just go down a few holes, do your thing. Make sure you've got a wide bar on. If you're here at Peak Point Fitness, I recommend this silver one. There's some orange ones over there. Don't worry about all those fancy grips yet. Just stick with the bar, okay? Grab the bar, a little bit more than shoulder width apart. I like to go right on the bend here. You can go a little bit wider. You can go a little bit shorter. Grab the bar and sneak your feet under this pad here. It will hold you down. Now, you can see my orangutan arms here are fully extended. This is a good starting position, okay? You're locked in, slightly lean back, just a little bit, not back here. And don't let it go above your head, just right about here. And I want you to pull the bar down to your chest. I want you to aim for your collarbones. Slightly leaned back. Let it go back slowly. Take your time. Slightly lean back. Pull to your collarbones. Not out here. Not down here. Pull to your collarbones. I can't tell you enough. Okay? Lean forward slightly. Lean back slightly to your collarbones. Okay? Lean forward. Lean back. And now you're doing a lat pull down. Okay, lats are very important. Yeah, you'll hit your rear delts a pinch. You'll hit a little bit of your mid back, but you really want to focus on your triceps. You'll hit your biceps, not your triceps, oh my Lord, your lats and a little bit of your biceps. Now, if you're still here, make sure you smash that like button. Leave a comment. Let me know how many times per week you do these. These are great to build a nice, strong, wide back, which is awesome. People love a wide back. You can land a helicopter on it one day. But seriously, lean forward, lean back, controlled movement to your collarbones. I can't stress that enough. All right, let's get them done.